Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to invite players to your party on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So it's very easy to invite players to your party on your PlayStation 5. However, it may not be so obvious and it may be a little bit more difficult getting the notifications than it was before. So if we go ahead and press the PlayStation button and then open up the quick menu and then scroll over to Game Base and press X on this, we will be able to see our parties and our friends. So if we go over to friends, we can individually join a party's chat session with them. So let's choose a friend under here, and then go to their name, and then go to voice chat. Now, we will have the option to join the voice chat channel, so let's go ahead and do that. So I am now in a voice chat with this one person, and they just received a notification on their PlayStation 5. So they can press the PlayStation button and quickly join this voice chat channel. So we have an individual voice chat channel created. So if I go ahead and leave this, and then back out of the screen, and go back to my game base, if I scroll to the left, here's all my parties. So I have a couple different parties on here. Here's one with an individual Action 6, one of my friends, my second account actually. Then here are my two parties. So you can see the number by the name. So this one has 16. That's an indication that there's 16 people in that party. And this one has no number by it. So that's just an individual. So if I go to Action 6 and I want to go ahead and join this voice chat channel with this individual and then add people to it, it's very easy to do. So if I have another friend that wants to join our voice chat channel and then create a party, if we go to the three dots where it says more and then go to add players, we can select another friend now. So let's go to that same person and then go to add. Now we have three different people in this party. So if I go back here, we will now see them under here. So here's my recent party I created. It has Action 6 and God Sent Reaper in it. So that is one of the ways you can add more people to a party. So everyone, when I join that party chat now, that voice channel, everyone will receive a notification that I joined that channel and they will be able to join easily. So you can always add more players to the party at any point in time. If you go to the top, you can search for individual players to specifically find, even if they're not on your friends list. Or you can go over to Play Together and just reload this. And if you played a game of Call of Duty or Rocket League, they should show up under this list right here. It's not loading for me, but people you played with at one point in time, even if they're not on your friends list, you can add them to a party. So this is kind of cool. If you're trying to meet new people and chat with them, you can invite them to your party chat. And here's a quick tip. If you're in the game and you want to easily bring up your party chat screen, double press the PlayStation button real quick and it'll open up your party chat. Press it again twice and it'll go away. Another great tip is if I press the PlayStation button and then go to Game Base and then view all my parties. Now if I scroll down under this list and press options on my party, I can add that party to my favorites. So now it'll be listed up top here. So when I press the PlayStation button, go to Game Base, it'll be right at the top and I can easily join this at any point in time. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 5 tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.